Hello students. Today we are going to discuss about a trigonometric inequality using geometry. See the question. If capital A, capital B, capital C are the angles of a triangle, then show that sin A plus sin B plus sin C is less than 3 root 3 by 2. This is the question. To prove this result, first I am going to draw the graph of sin x in the interval 0 to pi. Suppose that this is x-axis and this is y-axis. I am going to draw the graph of sine function only in the interval 0 to pi. Here it is 0. Assume that this is pi. Now the graph of sine x. Yes, this is the graph of sine function in the interval 0 to pi. Suppose that here on along the direction of x-axis, suppose this is the angle A, and assume that somewhere angle B, and here another angle C I am selecting. Then here automatically the corresponding value of A on the function becomes sin A, right? Therefore, here the coordinates of this point can be written as A comma sin A. Why? Because this is clearly the graph of y equal to sin x. So when you give input A, automatically y coordinate become sin A. In the same way, if you give input B, then corresponding point on y equal to sin x become B comma sin B. Next, similarly, by giving input C, then here the point C comma sin B and sin C on the graph. Okay. Now I am going to join these 3 points. The points clearly lying on the graph of y equal to sin x. Okay. Right. Suppose that the points on the curve are P, Q, and R. Okay. Here I am going to write let P A comma sin A, Q B comma sin B, and R C comma sin C. These are the 3 points on the graph of y equal to sin x such that A, B, C less than 180 degrees, remember. Why? Because A, B, C are the angles in a triangle, so that they are less than 180 and more than 0. Okay. Now I am going to find the centroid of the triangle PQR. Let G is centroid. If G is centroid of triangle PQR, then I can write coordinates of G clearly by the formula summation x1 by 3 comma summation y1 by 3. What we get? A plus B plus C by 3. Centroid formula summation x1 by 3 summation y1 by 3. So that x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 means what we get? A plus B plus C whole divided by 3, comma, next summation y1 means y1 plus y2 plus y3 and divided by 3 also, right? So that what we get? Sin A sine B sine C combination whole divided by 3 we get. This is clearly centroid. Next, observe the graph. Let us suppose there is a point on the curve here. Assume that this is some S. S be a point on the curve y equal to sin x such that input is a plus b plus c divided by 3. We know that here it is centroid, so that x coordinate automatically a plus b plus c divided by 3, x coordinate of g, right? A plus b plus c divided by 3. The same input, if I give for y equals sin x, then there exists a point S here, and whose x coordinate automatically a plus b plus c divided by 3, and y coordinate become sine of a plus b plus c, sine of a plus b plus c divided by 3 it is, right? That I am going to write now. Let S be a point on y equal to sin x at x equal to a plus b plus c divided by 3. Then what we get, the coordinates of S? X coordinate already a plus b plus c divided by 3, same we selected, and y coordinate, that is sine of a plus b plus c whole divided by 3. This is second point. Okay. Observe the 2 points G and S. X coordinate is same, but there is difference in y coordinate. And clearly, y coordinate of S is more than y coordinate of G. From figure, it is very clear that, observe, x coordinate same, but the difference in y coordinate. This is y coordinate of G and this is y coordinate of S. S is more than G, right? Along the direction of y-axis, if you observe, S is greater compared with G. Therefore, I am writing y coordinate of G is less than y coordinate of S. S is more compared with G. Therefore, y coordinate of G, that means what we get? Sin A plus sin B plus sin C by 3. That I am writing. Sin A plus sin B plus sin C whole divided by 3. It is less than. Next, y coordinate of S means, see here, this is sine of A plus B plus C divided by 3. Sine of A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C divided by 3. And A, B, C are clearly internal angles in a triangle. So that the value of A plus B plus C, I can write 180 degrees. Sine 180 divided by 3. That implies sin A plus sin B plus sin C less than 3 times of sin pi by 3. Okay. Now sin A plus sin B plus sin C is less than 3 into sin 60 degrees value, root 3 divided by 2. Therefore, we got the inequality Sin A plus sin B plus sin C is less than 3 root 3 by 2. Let us see. This result is proved. Sin A plus sin B plus sin C always less than 3 root 3 by 2. Just select the points P, Q, R on the graph of y equal sin x with the angles giving input A, B, C. And then compare centroid with the point on the curve y equals sin x with the same input A plus B plus C by 3. S and G we are going to compare here. Just by comparison, automatically we get the inequality sin A plus sin B plus sin C is less than 3 root 3 by 2. Thank you.